Stop by and take a look at the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.